Stop it sneezing!
I can't help
Stop
it.
you fucking germs!
I can't help it.
What is that amazing way that you just can't crap at me? Sorry. No, sorry.
Achoo!
Thought I was alone.
What?
You go to Humphrey?
Yeah, Westerberg?
North. Do you know whose party this is?
Achoo!
Mate, stop! I don't want your germs! You're down there with the fucking water, I know you.
What? I can't help it if I sneeze.
Go in there if you're sick.
No. My nose is real itchy. It's just real itchy. Achoo! Achoo!
Jane Nussbaum? So, what's your name?
Achoo!
Dave? Aubrey. Aubrey.
Achoo!
Can you go to North?
Mate, stop it!
I can't help it if I'm sneezing.
Well, fuck off in there.
What is that supposed to
No, I'm sitting there on a plane on my iPad.
No, of course. I mean, no, of course
I'm
you
not
are.
gonna
It's
lose
just,
my
kind
iPad.
of like that look in your eye. You know?
What's your idea?
You know, that desperate kind of
Oh, wait.
look.
Achoo!
Graduating in less than a month and all my
Achoo! Achoo!
parties are almost over.
You got that look.
Right?
Achoo! Achoo!
She doesn't like you back.
She likes me,
Achoo!
platonically, as a friend.
Oh, I know.
Boy, stop it!
What? I'm watching a movie. Jeez, I can't watch a movie.
So have you tried, like actually tried?
She's gonna hook up with Brendan Meltzer tonight.
My friend hooked up with Brendan Meltzer once.
There you go.
He is ripped.
What are you doing to me?
Sorry, I'm just saying, if she was with Brendan Meltzer, I wouldn't get my hopes up.
Well, trust me, they're not. Okay, that's why I'm out here.
Because you're hiding.
Achoo!
Fleeing?
Oh.
I just...
Mate, you better fuck off in there with your fucking filthy fucking germs.
The girl that loved to flirt with the best looking guy ever. He's tortured.
Want some gum?
No, thanks.
Achoo!
Yeah, actually.
Achoo!
Mate, stop it!
I can't help it. I'm just.
Oh, I can't help it. You're just fucking doing it.
I'm not.
You know that you can help me.
My nose has just been real itchy.
Well, fuck off
I
in
can't
there.
help it. It's blocked and
Actually,
it's
wait, hey,
itchy.
let me ask you a question. Do you think it's possible that there's something that I could say to this girl, just some way I could tell her how I feel, in a way that just would make her fall for me, you know?
What do you have in mind? How?